Why did Einstein give his students the same test 2 years in a row? The answer is going to shock you.
Hey everyone, Albert Einstein had just administered an examination to his advanced class of physics students. As he left the building, he was followed out by one of his teaching assistants. "Excuse me, sir," asked the shy assistant, not quite sure how he should approach this and tell the great man about his blunder.
"Yes," said Einstein.
Yeah, it's about this test you've handed out," blurted the assistant.
Einstein waited patiently.
"I'm not sure you realise this, but this is the same test that you gave out last year. In fact, it's identical."
Einstein paused to think for a moment. Then he said, it is the same test."
The teaching assistant got a bit worked up. He was agitated. "Well, what are you going to do, sir? What are we going to do with this?"
A slow smile erupted over Einstein's face. "I don't think we need to do anything. The answers have changed."
And so, just as in physics, the answers can change, so they have in medicine and in healthcare.
The question is the same. How do we best help our patients? But the answer to this is constantly changing, and we need to keep up to pace with this.
So this is why we're not surprised when patients, we hear this constantly, why hasn't my doctor heard of this? Why has my doctor not told me about this? Why are they keeping it from me? Why have I not heard about this? Why is it not being offered more commonly? Why do the government not offer this treatment?
The question should be, who do you trust? The people that are looking for the answers, or the other professionals that are waiting to be told them?
We want to keep our patients on the cutting edge, the bleeding edge of modern medicine and healthcare. And therefore, we are here to bring you the most up-to-date advances in musculoskeletal medicine.
And service, integrity, and innovation, that's what we stand for. So the next question to you is, what's important to you?
We look forward to hearing from you.